Pee Wee, you got to cut it on top on this side, brother.
That's what I did. The weight going that way. Let me hanging down, baby, going that way.
You need something to push it with? I mean, I got a pole.
Take your time.
Right there in my arm, you see a set of teeth mark right there? He put them there about 30 years ago.
Is that right?
His grandmama was 5 years old. His uncle loaded pumwood cutters about hand. Also, while that young was strong.